People often say that being alone in nature will make you feel alive and whole, as if somehow the act of setting off by yourself into the unknown will reveal who you truly are. But the moments that define us as humans are so often shared, not solitary, but experienced together. Watching videos from our childhood, it was clear that our bond as brothers flourished from the start. As we grew up, the experiences we've shared together has only strengthened our special relationship.
It's like having a best friend for a whole lifetime. We love each other to bits no matter what. Time and circumstances have never changed that.
2 years ago, torn apart by heartbreak, we made the joint decision to reshape our futures. Side by side, we set off on a journey that would change our lives forever. From the perspective of our drone, we saw the textures of the earth for the first time. The swirl of patterns, symmetry, and colours. Like abstract artwork, each changing landscape exposed the truly weird and wonderful world we live in. Working together, we tirelessly scout locations to bring our visions to life, poring over maps to find the overlooked pieces of the world.
There are so many hidden gems on the planet. Areas you could pass right by and never think twice about.
When you see these places in a new light, from a new angle, everything looks surprising, unreal, and mysterious. The ordinary truly becomes the extraordinary. With each step, we moved into a world so very different from the one we knew back home. We tasted freedom with every journey, driving on back roads and discovering strange and incredible places. Here was a wildness, an embracing of the unseen beauty of the earth. Every day on the road is an adventure. We strive to capture the world in a way we've seen and understood it. To inspire others to take their own journeys beyond what they already know. You don't have to be alone to know the wild. You don't have to be alone to find yourself. The act of friendship only brings you closer to the reality of who you are, and closer to each other as you share in the wonder of exploration.